This course reveals history and the mystery of creation of this faculty of knowledge, that is psychology. History of psychology reveals the processes of development of original thought of the thinker, how the field or the school of thought began and then developed in context with contemporary culture, political views, economics and current events. The scholarly team of psychologists, trainers and teachers have taken tremendous efforts to present the original thought of philosophers, historians and psychologists without attaching their views to it. You will find a common sequence in all modules. You will learn the birth history of the thinker, which will disclose the secret of the thought and theory, followed by the application of the theory and the criticism if it is applicable. Register as soon as possible and enjoy this journey of human mind.